But because of no maybe intimidaka, see, because you can't send your party in one sister. I am for because MPP could be on you. Yabo won't come you. Mena me catch and some say you and some say a coma so. But I was at the Biamba make us up into me about Tegasa. But me pona me quana in some number me canna me de co. I cast my bottom.
Minia, Yankopo Ishla say, oh, shame. Me will question ba kumbia me pese me bisa. Na me pe anu ye e wo comment section ho. Asema me pese me bisa and say politicians are omo e wo Ghana memu ha. Are they really helping the country? And I say they are just there for their own selfish interests. I didn't na make answer. We say Auditor General's report. They be afi bia e ba bontins. Na nso say e ba nyoma e wo mu no. E ya wotibia na wo yam kura e hyehyew. Si wo bia wo se oba be som oman no. Na mum ajapadie bia ye oman ne dia anko betumi e dia boa temamufo no. Na nipa mienu anase miensa bi na omo ache na omo afa. Ndi se yesei as citizens of this country oman Ghana ebetumi entumpon wana. Menua NPP for eba 8 years no. The way omo fura ban mu nkrofo kasa dia fa omo ho no. Ugidi se NPP omo ebeboa oman Ghana ana se omo ebedi oman no. Ewo me kan sem se ya na se o hwe me a ebi obeka se me wa DC ntina me kan sa da bi edumre bi a moma yemfa yen political parties ento nchen na yenka asem no se ne esi etie omo se the way ya omo eye omo internal politics si ye no omo an omo ka omo nsem videos bi ewo ho a me ne wo ba behwe na se wo hwe sa videos we ewia asem ya mekan obetemase NPP fo binu mu a omo ka sensem ehyehe omobo na emmom because of the party omo person be kan nsem because some we ma dwen some be kan nsem a ebia party no kura no enye Ghana for akono bi na se party member it me e kan see ya edie no wo hunti e ma sa nipa no o kan asem we wati ase iti videos no e wo ho me no be kwa kohwe eno e na yen journalist bia no so we ye adwuma e wo dwe pram o ati sa nsem we nyina ene de e koso e wo internet no so e na o kan say ora must work operation recover all loots sika bi ajapadie bi ene numa bi ye oman Ghana de nkofo bi afa kwan bone so afa e de kwakosie omo so no the state must recover all of them. Ye be kwa kohwe ni video na watie nsem a oka na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama one na pamfo omo e wase omutu anamonso nkumbi e wo saa oroi eho na ye say sene awia eboye na nkyene na osre nkuntoro saa nso na nsuo nso bede ebeto ebie ne eye NPP for but NDC for no mo aban mu sisie omo nso firi aban mu a edie na ebekoso da bia say ya we mu ba na so mu firi wa omo mbe ba no mbe kan se bebre omo so firi aban mu pe na adan asem foforo nti yesi as citizens of this country ayedo man no ahye monsa se mmoa no man Ghana enko nanimo mu yesi ya ntiri manso edien na omo ebeye me ma mekasa enye tintin ye hwe some of the videos a NPP members na nkasa omo aye omo kasa edi afa omo a omo party no ho nsem omo aye ewia ye broda ne de no so ebetoa so na mesra se obenya botra na wohwe video e de akosi awie na se wohwe video no ewia whenever you are dealing with a politician memua obedwen ho mienu beda wase ma yehwe video no emra na ansa ne yebekọ no ma mefa kwanya we so na menam nyina mo se mo boa channel yi eba he enche enso sisi ye nya 2000 subscribers ye ko 3000 inti mesre unya en subscribe ya na wode aka ho na boa ama bibiara aye kama mo di kan subscribe no so no meka se nyakopon onhyira mu nyina unya subscribe ya meka se nyakopon onhyira because we say by all means you are going to subscribe meda wase yehwe video so emra yakoba yebeto so
but because of no maybe intimidaka se ka se kan sempia party no ho sister fia wa ha mafo because MPP could be on bio yabo won ka bio me na me ka kire wo ensem se yenum ensem se akoma so ba wo se de bia mba me kasa mintimi nya botre kasa ba me pon na me kwa na fe nsem na ba me na me de ko aka se mabodam hwe sister amafo bro party hu o emu
hello Mzaka. Oh yes, so we can send you no matter what man.
Obi antimenti ma homa. And the crap me say some when you put in your way akoma so no. Okay? Me papa on. Me Mr. Father. And namoso ewo say people akayi you an wo. Na sister fiam go say obi nko pension na ne pension sika. Yem fe nsanto so. Na obi USS sika katie say. Sister, obi ya adwuma contractors omo ya adwuma. Te set me father o, Mr. Bese. Unim so wawu because of a country. Wa ya adwuma ya kwaye ntia na kwaye ntia. Amina me ka kire o. Me sister, ensam ha nipa o. Ensam ha nipa. Me busa say, Kenoforata, e dia be yare yanko, no nyare na o tie akonya no so. No ya finance minister na onyare. Enti omna me yi na no keke no me chenchense ka wo so ntimi ma, wo yare. Na yam nyame nsia no ntena ho na yare no ma yenko na do be dua no na abetwa sister fi ansama ayo kira me ba me pese me kasa bebe hwe me enoma ha me makoma mu no sister ye me na me de cast na baga no because of MPP ntimi me cast me mfa bi ma bio na manya duty ni kwesi kana wo pa bi so obi a oni mi se kantanka na me de cast ba so do from cast am de come taxi be normal me de baga no sika ya je free me ho no. Sister, enye sika ketwa, ninya because of MPP nti, ne pese e boa. No man cost. Enso mba am na bo ohie getiri. What you say? But ye ka semo a, e kira me ba me pese me kasa bebe. Me enoma ha me makoma mu no. Sister, ye me na me de cast na baga no because of MPP nti me e cast me mfa bi ma bio. Na manya duty ni kwesi kana. Wo pa bi so obi a oni mi se kantanka. Na me de cast ba. So do from cast am de come taxi be normal me de baga no. Sika ya je free me ho no. Sister, enye sika ketwa, ninya because of MPP nti, ne pese e boa. No man cost. Enso mba am na bo ohie getiri. What you say? But ye ka semo a, ma ya obi amfa politics asemo ma, na asema ye ka no, obi akowie de sika a, ono na akowie, ye je obi atra office. Hwe ye gisi ho no mo kan wasem no. Unim se de ntia ayi free ho no no. Because ye ka so nkosa content was so ntimi nsan. What you say? I didn't know ka so ntimi.
MD dada no.
Yes. Onim de na ekoso na nsem obobo ba na sister nya nsem ya beka because party dey say ni yi na se come say ken kan sem ken nsem ya beka unim krofo sika krono am anfo obo sport onya nya nko ho no mo enkrofo wiye sika nkasa aye nimbi but ye ne aka ya no otum na bo jaja ko mfuse nko we ejimi for obi ono wa America we na juma na ko agya na juma ba abaye o campaign manager na wa ba be ye adwuma na no me koso na wo hu se we de ye nya eti wa anya nti ya sake no na wo sister enye nsem ye nipa be betima ka ye ntwa so ma nsie ya na eboboba obi e bakokodi sika bia untumi ya che na o se Ghana for mumlo MPP for mamunti na unti untumi ko for me opposition na me shop wo sta go eda ya kwasase kra ka MPP ko ayikura wa kumase kra nkenche untumi so we go on nanka ufizen ka usi ayi just cramp o mesi bi just so crack ba baby na untimi anya bi ama MPP sabe say obi national chairman obara de dia nya
office cram amo
why ayo rush need to make them to go ka bi say why musa untimi say why no ne won sam de ya pese be ka o ne won sam be pese be ka musa untimi say ayo rush need to make na egi ma ye wo henfa won kire ba bi e wo. But sister, and some say nipa koma so yem pese ye beka na obi afia asem ejada ho NDC for dey bi dem but edu ba bia some people for no bi begina so no kasa sa no a na e hye nipa gba bifo kanonko na oye a ensem be yi pie no ono onim but umpa bisa mi pese be kasa o so radio amansan radio umpa bisa obi a ofa ya mu nyina US nyam no program but me why di me so be yi me kasa radio studio majai kra because I know ha nipa Mesi boy cheja akon ni nsem a ogya to ho no ene ho nsesem eboboba no gabro chira akon wo ka chezo nka na ntum ono ne di sa de nanim wo de nsem be pipia ba no mesi o mo be pachaw ense be chi bia gum sister wo nsem be o bebre ya na ofa kem nya tu afo say my radio me ofa ken ya ka sa me kam pesa ka sa radio show ensem e high no sister MPP akufo de begu party no and no so nipa ntimi nka polafoko ni kwa meja pon oyi wo mu free ono no na ya agenda hwe ekwan ya fa so ntimi di alenchematentem sister ensem bo ya mpese be kan o Alan, Adia Obo party do now to need the Alan tem. I got it to the pictures in every office. Now we just I said, Papa. Na sabi obi anye hweka na Japan de omode ye no. Sister. Yana nsem pa o. Me kese me person.
You better no kwa internal issues before primaries no. Na waka sa nsem we nyina because me am nsem shewbo. Ene ma ye o ya.
Papa o nyese bia bro. Hwe enipa bia bra party no manya hwe o. Lotus wo e kai da ho no mo a. Amount for dream lotus wo no. E ho nsem nya bobo aba. They are going to face it. Now be free so be me. Uko wi asika man bidi. Ya ni munya na wa o. E ba bu set na isem ni animo. Ya ni discard the mamo. Ni discard the mamo. She, sister, me pa cho me that's why.
Chama Mr. Kameda say separate me pa cho mami tie we. Na na Mr. Kedja.
Stefia very well. Medasa so ama mekonye. To be honest, I mean, and somehow, and last week, Nameka said, so we are Mabunu Nessa to one ma. You ask yourself, a pine ben, I mentioned my fatwa, I can enrich myself within a few years. Majority of the youth now, they say, no, Ubia, who the way they say, so to me, call join politics. This is to mean your opportunity.
When the youth of this country are sent out every year to serve their nation for meager allowances, which are often delayed, often insufficient, and sometimes unpaid for months, the least they can expect is that the managers of the system are people of integrity. But instead, what we find is that while some of these young men and women slept on floors, when they starved to make ends meet and borrow to get to work, others at the top of the scheme that oversee them were quietly building mansions, driving luxurious cars, and signing off on fraudulent payments in the dark of the night. Fellow Ghanaians, the scale of this rot is staggering. Over 2.2 billion cedis has now been implicated in ghost names and fraudulent payments within the National Service Authority scheme. And this is only one institution. If this is what happens in an organization meant to shape the civic character of our young people, what then happens in all those many state agencies and enterprises that manage even bigger sums of money? This, fellow Ghanaians, is precisely why Oral must succeed. It must not just be a slogan. It must not just be a campaign mantra. It must be a national crusade that outlives every government, including this one, and every Attorney General, including Dr. Dominic Ayine. The idea that public funds can be looted and then life can go on as normal must die a painful one in this republic. Many of these same public officials who loot state resources are the first to lecture the youth on hard work, on discipline and integrity. They mount stages at graduation ceremonies wearing academic gowns and quoting proverbs about honesty, even as they siphon millions behind the scenes. Then they call the poor lazy. Their children who inherit stolen wealth sneer at others and call us unserious. But there's something sacred about honest work. There is dignity in struggling for what you earn. Those who steal from the poor, from the taxpayer, from the collective, are not clever. They are national embarrassment. We must therefore insist as a people that every asset purchased with stolen money be confiscated and returned to the state. We cannot continue this ritual of seize and release where stolen wealth is quietly enjoyed after the noise dies down. Corruption must not pay, and recovery alone is not enough. Punishment must accompany it. Let those who steal public funds serve time, not in air-conditioned hospital wards or in their plush homes under police guard when they claim they are sick, but in real prisons where they will feel even for a fraction of their sentence. The pain they've caused millions of all of us.
Yakohwe video no aba na se wote nsem bi si asen ena ya ofili as a Ghanaian a wakudi line so atu aba e de ama obi a woye adwuma na yetua neka na de esefata timamufo no osan e de asie baabi menua me ma mekasa enye tenti just go to the comment section actually wadwen uwie nso a meselo like video we na share na akofolo nso omo enya bi empe na unya subscribe ya meselo subscribe mame na emu na bibiala enye kama meselo so behwe ohun so yi me ne wo ebehie bi sisi ye de makrao bye bye.